Welcome back to English Grammar Quiz and Logic. Today's challenge, choose the correct third conditional. Total 20 questions, and you have only 10 seconds to answer each one. You may pause the video if you need more time. What is conditionals? Third conditionals. Question number 1. Correct answer is option A. Question number 2. Correct answer is option C. Question number 3. Option B is the right answer. Question number 4. Correct answer is option D. Question number 5. Option B is the right answer. If you're enjoying the quiz, hit the like button and subscribe to English Grammar Quiz and Logic for more. Question number 6. Correct answer is option D. Question number 7. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Option A is the right answer. Question number 9. Option C is the right answer. Question number 10. Correct answer is option D. Question number 11. Correct answer is option B. Question number 12. Option B is the right answer. Question number 13. Option A is the right answer. Question number 14. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Correct answer is option A. Question number 16. Option C is the right answer. Question number 17. Correct answer is option C. Question number 18. Option B is the right answer. Question number 19. Option D is the right answer. Get ready for your last question. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Question number 20. Option A is the right answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next challenge.